What's going on, y'all? We doing salmon today. And it's gonna be so tasty. We gonna hit it with some brown sugar rub, cook it in butter and honey. Oh my goodness. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. Of course, you know we had to rain on them. Gotta hit them with that salt. And we just gonna hit them with that salt on that skin side and let it sit for about 30 minutes. That's gonna make sure your skin is extra crispy, y'all. You want that crispy skin. Once our 20 minutes done pass, it's time to pull out that brown sugar rub, y'all. And we gonna give it a flip and hit it with that rub, y'all. Make sure you get that rub all over that salmon. Don't be scared. Hit it good, y'all. Hit it good. Make sure it's thick. Just like you doing barbecue. Don't have to it. Do it well. But anyway, let's get into that skillet. Now our skillet is half butter, half olive oil. So we got about 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, y'all. Now what I like to do, I like to tilt the pan and baste that salmon just a little bit, just to start the cooking process while it's cooking that skin up good and crispy. It usually work out well for me, y'all. It usually work out well. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It just makes it more tasty. Now, as soon as you can give your pan a shaky shake and that salmon is moving freely, you know that that bottom side is done and that skin then released from that pan. So guess what? It's time to give it a flippy flip, y'all. A flippy flip. And look at that skin. Oh my goodness. This is finna be tasty. So now we finna add about, I would say, 2-3 tablespoons of honey. And we gonna let that mix up and get that honey all through that flesh. And then you know what time it is after that, right? Time to eat. So we gonna get that salmon on that plate. And I had mine with some peas. And oh yeah, it's time to eat. Cause I need me a piece of this salmon. And look at that skin, y'all. This was so tasty. That honey came through. And I don't even know what to tell you about that brown sugar rub. You gotta try it, y'all. Gotta try it. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.